Probably one of the most long-standing things that we do here is our 6-week compounding routine. That's for the purpose of just building up contacts. Like that is literally designed to build up your network in applicable areas. So wherever you feel you're lacking in your network in terms of resources and stuff like that. So for example, if I decide I'm going to get involved in more renovations moving forward, which at this stage right now is probably going to end up happening, we're coming across a lot of that stuff, and I'm leaving a lot of money on the table with some of the deals that we've been going after. So I think if I start getting more active with some of the renovations, it'd probably be positive. So I'm going to actually be doing the 6-week compounding routine, going out and trying to add to our construction resources on a local basis, because that's been the biggest issue for me here locally. And rather than just continuing to say contractors suck and I don't want to talk to them anymore, I'm going to be a big boy and just go meet some and see if maybe I can find some that don't suck.